In a lush, verdant forest, there lived a colony of ants. Among them, a young ant named Antoine. Antoine was different from the others. He had a peculiar scent that was stronger than the rest. One day, a beautiful ant named Bella wandered into the colony. Immediately, Antoine was drawn to her. He couldn't explain why, but something about her was captivating. As Antoine approached Bella, he found himself unable to resist the urge to follow her. Intrigued, Bella noticed Antoine's persistent pursuit. She, too, felt a strange pull towards him. The other ants, perplexed by the unusual pairing, watched as Antoine and Bella danced around the colony. They didn't understand why the two were so drawn to each other, but they couldn't help but feel a sense of wonder. One day, an older ant named Alfred, sensing the mystery, approached Antoine and Bella. "Why do you two dance so intimately?" he asked. Antoine and Bella looked at each other, realizing for the first time that their dance was not just a whim, but a response to their unique pheromones. "We are drawn to each other because of our special sense," Antoine explained. "It's like a hidden language, a signal that our bodies send out to attract those who are compatible." The other ants listened in awe. They had never thought about their pheromones in such a way before. Alfred, realizing the wisdom in Antoine's words, spread the news throughout the colony. From that day forward, the ants became more mindful of their scents. They learned to embrace their unique qualities, understanding that these subtle signals could lead them to their perfect match. And so, the ants of the forest danced, not just for entertainment, but as a testament to the power of pheromones, a hidden language that connected them in ways they never knew possible. Moral asterisk: embrace your unique qualities, for they may attract someone who appreciates you for who you are.